Congratulations! You have clicked on this video. Today we are doing this part. Well, it's actually the same day. I just completed this part. So yeah, we're going to Scud on refrigerator. Blah, blah, blah. Did I spit on the camera? I hope I didn't. Yeah, sir, if the words don't match completely, the way that I have the camera is perfectly angled. And I know people complain that they can see like a black line blocking off the screen in the corner. Excuse me. So yeah, so I took that into account and made it as best as I could. Yeah, because I want you guys to have the great quality.
Crimson, good work.
Wow.
Majestic team how it's done.
Yep.
Marco will be mad about that for days.
He's always mad. He's mad when he took my quesadilla. Yeah, he took my quesadilla and he was angry for it. Yeah, wow. That's a star map. Hey, that's rude. I'm a scientist. I'm a nerd. Thank you a lot. You dare say that to a Vulcan. They will go all Vulcan on you.
Looking all quiet, Crimson. I think you have the place to yourselves.
Nah, it's too boring. Let's go activate an Easter egg. No, I'm going over here. I'm going to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. With all fun and games. Is it here? Or am I at the wrong spot? Is it supposed to be? Oh no. Oh, I'm stupid. No. Oh man, I'm stupid. I am so sorry, guys. There's no Easter eggs here other than J.J. Abrams' lens flares. Lens flares. I do admit that is a really good lens flare. Whoever designed that lens flare, top-notch quality. And oh! Whoa! Oh! Yeah. Yeah, you take that, quick scopers. What about this? Yeah, I stun him by my grenade. I'm so good with the Magnum. I got like over 1,000 kills of the Magnum in this game. Alright. Let's get Spock. Spock, what do we have? Well, this looks like a very powerful engine. This is a Stargate's map of the galaxy. Could be possible Forerunner relics. High critical. We could maybe do something. I don't know. Let's press a button. That seems highly unlogical, sir. Pressing it. It's all shiny. So much shininess. Wait, so we're basically...
Crimson, heads up. Crawlers.
Crawlers are nothing compared to me. They're like a piece of poop on the bottom of your boots. Where...
Okay, Crimson, this was only a
see?
I'm
ow.
pulling you out until science team can review that data.
Wait.
Mark
What?
the extraction point.
Okay.
8 points up, Commander.
Something tells me we're not gonna get to that. I was talking. You guys are the rudest people I've ever met. And so are you, and you. Ba-ba-ba. Okay. Looks like we need to get an advantage point over this. Obviously, there's evil bad guy minion doggy thingy from Tartarus. We should kill them all. No scope. Ish. Oh no. Get away from me. I'm gonna die. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Run away. Run away. I'm getting shot at. Stop shooting me. Stop. They shot me. You guys shot me! You're dead! You're dead too! You're dead! You're dead! You're dead! You're dead! I seem so friendly to these guys. And all they do is bite me. They just go straight up, bite me! Why'd you turn around? That seems like a bad advantage. Turn around on your enemy. Like, alright, I have to end the part here. So thank you for watching. Comment down below. Hit the subscriber button. Dislike if you like.